Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your profile to an organization. Follow along with me and you will be able to complete this part of the process quickly and easily. Most programs using the Single Window Information Management System, SWIM, require accounts to be connected to an organization. The organization is the top level of the information structure in SWIM. All other information, such as contacts, facilities, etc., connect back to the organization. After logging into SWIM and setting up or verifying your profile, click on the Organizations tab on the left-hand menu. This page displays the names and business numbers of the organizations you are already connected to, if any. If your organization is not listed here, you will need to gain access to it or create it if it is not already in the system. The first step is to check to see if the organization is already in the SWIM system. Start by clicking the Add a New Organization button under the Organization table. Then enter your organization name or business number to search in the single window database. Review the search results and find your organization. Once you have found it, there are two ways to connect to it: through your SWIM organization lead or through the request access process. The best way to get access to the organization is through your SWIM organization lead. This is a person who works in your organization and has the authority to grant access. This route is much faster than the request access process, which can take up to 3 business days. We discuss how to grant access to others in the video called Managing Your Organization. But let's focus on the request access process for now. Request access to an organization by clicking on the organization name hyperlink in the search results table. After clicking on the organization name, you will be sent to a page where you will find a list of the Single Window Information Manager programs. Click on the applicable link. At that point, decide which role you need for your reporting needs: lead, editor, or member. Each role is defined to help you make your choice. Once you click on the role, an email is sent to both you and us confirming the request. If your request is approved, you will receive another email with an access code. Copy this code and paste it onto the Redeem ECCC key in SWIM to instantly have access. If you search for your organization and you don't find it in the database, you must add it. Click the Add a New Organization button under the search results table. A new screen will appear called the Organization Profile page. You will be asked to enter your organization's details. Try to enter as much information as you can. This will be helpful later on because most of the partner programs require a complete profile, but at a minimum, complete the mandatory fields, the ones marked with a red asterisk. There is both a physical address tab and a mailing address tab. If these two addresses are the same, you can use the Copy To button to copy the current address tab over to the other address tab. Once you have entered all of your organization's information, scroll down to the bottom and click Save. That organization will now be listed on the organization page, and as the SWIM organization lead, you will be able to access it. Here's a little note about international organizations. These organizations will not have a Canada Revenue Agency business number, which is a mandatory field. The Canada Revenue Agency business number field will become non-mandatory once an international address is entered. Thanks for following along. There are other videos available to help you navigate through SWIM. You can find them at the bottom of each SWIM guidance page.